And guys, I got one more announcement to make. It could save you money. So when we get to the gas station, I'll point it out and tell you how. Ready? Alright, let's do it. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We're headed out to San Diego, Harley Davidson. They're throwing on some bike show. I definitely want to get some more shirts and whatnot, so we're going to go out there and see what's up. I'm with Lil C on her 2023 Street Bob. And yeah, we're just going to be riding out, seeing what's up. Nothing too crazy today. It's definitely a little bit warmer than it normally is, so I opted for short sleeves. You know, not the safest thing, but we're just gonna be taking it easy. So plus I need to get a little bit of tan, bro. Like, what's going on with my arms? Yeah, once I get exhaust on this thing, get it tuned, I'm definitely gonna learn how to start drifting the fuck out of this thing, wheeling it. I mean, I can wheelie a sport bike, dirt bikes, all that, so I'm comfortable with wheeling. I'm just not comfortable wheeling this bike. It's definitely heavier than anything else I've ever ridden. I mean, honestly, even four-wheelers, bro, like, they're lighter than this damn thing. But it cool. We still gonna stunt the fuck out of it whenever I get a chance. That I want to make sure I can afford, you know, whenever shit starts to break, because but that's cool, right? That's why I want to bulletproof this bike first, just to, you know, mitigate some of the bigger things right off the rip. Yeah, we got the cops though, that's for sure. Take it easy. There she is. About time she showed up, huh? Finally decided to come through, man. She way back in the line, you know. Ever since I put these saddlebags, Jesus. Ever since I put these saddlebags on, the oh my goodness, guys, I'm sorry. Thrashing Supply. I got the essential bags, so I've been riding a lot lighter in my backpack, and guys, it feels so much better. Like, if I didn't have to bring my camera, or if I didn't want to bring my camera today, I probably wouldn't even have brought the backpack. True. Valid point. Why am I saying back here? I'm literally on a motorcycle. I did a burnout last time I was underneath this. I need an oil change, actually. So yeah, guys, 4,000 miles, man. Like, let's go, bro. Like, I want to put miles on this bike. I don't want to look at my bike every year and see I only drove 2,000 miles. Nah, you can miss me with all that. Guys, you ready for this? Her grips are not backwards. That reel and all those things blew up. I don't even know why, but y'all are fighting in the comments. I love it. I think it's funny. She really just didn't know. This is her first motorcycle, bro. Give her some slack. She's 100% doing everything on her own. Like, she doesn't ask for help, nothing. And then she just asked me after it's installed, hey, does this look right? Like, it's just that simple. Like, let her, that's how you learn. As long as she's not putting water in her engine, like, everything will be okay. They're just grips, you know? Like, it's straight. But yeah, she's doing it on her own. Let her fucking do it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, she just cut those off after she's seen the response online, which I thought was kind of funny. And she bought some new ones and put them on correctly. So y'all could chill a little bit. Damn. One minor mistake, you just go off the handle. Love it. That's the internet. Getting close. We getting close. Bro, this is where I bought my Harley, bro. Like, there's this one dude. I was never really fond of him. You know, I told him, like, hey, look, I'm just not ready to buy the bike yet. Like, I want to figure out everything from parking to making sure my financials are good, right? And that motherfucker was just like, oh, it won't be here. I'm like, I don't give a fuck if this specific bike won't be here tomorrow. Guess what? There'll be another one. So yeah, it was a whole thing. What'd you do that for? What the fuck? And we could have parked up there, huh? And they full sending it, boys. God, that just gets my fucking testosterone levels way the fuck up there, huh? Let's do it. Alright, let's go check out the event. I'll bring y'all along with me. Honestly, bro, like looking at these bikes and looking at mine, I think my setup's looking pretty good. Like it's starting to look really clean. All right, cool. That was fun though. That was pretty cool. I'm already burnt on my arms. None of them wave back to me. Is it my face? I think it's my face. All right, YouTube, we are headed back home. That was pretty cool. I just got a few clips of the stunt show. Nothing too crazy. I copped a few shirts. Finally found some rear turn signals for the bike. It's the last thing on this motorcycle that is not black, gray, or orange, or well, those are orange, black, gray, or white. So we'll get rid of the orange caps, have some halos back there, and we'll be chilling. And they're actually cheaper than they were online, only because, like, I guess they had some like discount, which was pretty cool. Nothing like a little shortcut. But yeah, it's official. We're gonna get home. We're gonna get to Florida here in the next 2 months. We're gonna get exhaust onto the bike, tune it, chain and sprocket upgrade, get rid of the belt, and we're just gonna start fucking full sending this thing, man. Never wheelied a Harley, but I've wheelied pretty much everything else that you possibly can, including a wheelchair. Fun fact, I got pretty good at that. And rolling burnouts, just everything. It's just a little bit of a learning curve on a bike this heavy, but who cares, man? Thinking about making business cards because, you know, I started off this whole journey of videography actually and motovlogging with photography, right? Like during the pandemic, everything was closed. I was bored and I just needed an excuse to just go out and just like enjoy outside, but not socialize, because we already know how California was during the pandemic. So I just kind of got into photography, which I thought was I was never really interested in it, but then, you know, after watching some TikToks and being creative, like I was like, that actually seems like kind of fun. So I got into it, and I created my own little personal style, some, you know, moody tones, things like that. And what I had found was the car community and the bike community actually really liked it. So, you know, over time, because I was doing street photography, but like I had people with cars and bikes hitting me up, hey, how much you charge, stuff like that. And at the time I had no pricing. Matter of fact, it was just a hobby of mine. But after getting a Harley and started motovlogging, I don't know, I just kind of thought, why not why not do photography for bikes, cars, just the whole motor scene, right? Anything with an engine, really. And yeah, so I'm thinking about, like, anytime I go to an event, just starting to get some business cards made, you know, some nice business cards, and start handing them out. If I can't bring in a little side business, I mean, that would be pretty cool, because, you know, why not have some goals in life? Stop working for somebody and be your own boss. But yeah, I would say, if you're in SoCal, hit me up if you want some videos and stuff. You can check out some of my photos on my Instagram, Zizy Moto. I'm only here for like 2 more months, guys. So if I have any sort of audience yet in the Southwest Florida region, just know I'll be there. You know, everywhere from Tampa all the way down to, honestly, Miami. I'll just be riding up and down, man, just putting in the miles, getting the content in, and meet up, ride, all that stuff. And guys, I got one more announcement to make. It could save you money. So when we get to the gas station, I'll point it out and tell you how. All right, guys, check it out. The Born Scum Saddleman Seat. If you want to get one of these, I have a link in the description below. It's Zizy Moto, no space, and it'll get you a discount. Anything on their website also, but you know, who doesn't want a custom seat? But yeah, if you use my code ZizzyMoto, it's in, again, link in the description, you will get, I think it's 10 or 15% off. I mean, free, easy money, man. And it helps me out too, so I can build this bike quicker. But anyway, guys, thanks for checking out the video. Next video for sure will be a 4,000 mile review on the bike. We're over 4,000 now, but we're definitely gonna get it. Be sure to like and subscribe. That helps my videos reach a larger audience, and it's definitely motivational. And then, yeah, we can start beating the shit out of this bike once we do a few more things to it. I might have to do a oil pump upgrade before I do it too, you know. But yeah, see you on the next one.